Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
There were so many days that I gave up on life. There were so many obstacles that I never knew that I would have been able to overcome. There were so many situations that I thought had gotten the best of me. So I'm really grateful to see another year celebrating life.
It's our good friend, it's our colleague, and I call him Cufflink. Cufflinks. This is
For Basilia.
Yeah, this is Brian. Belated birthday, sir. Coming from the three beautiful ladies in your life. They're two beautiful daughters. Bree and Bella, and of course Basilia, 3 Bs.
Hey.
Things aren't the way how I would want them to be, but they are far away from how they used to be, and I'm just grateful for that. So, for this year in particular, so for my birthday, because my birthday is so close to my anniversary, I usually do a whole month of celebrations, and I get to do different things that I wouldn't normally do, set the pace for the year. This year.
Brian Cuff asked me to do this morning. It's not a birthday, it's like an anniversary. He says, on this Girl Power Tuesday, I want to salute this powerful woman that I've been privileged to spend the last 10 years with as husband and wife. Marriage isn't easy and it's no laughing matter, but this is our decade worth of love. I love you and I choose you again. Thanks for taking my name. Oh, Bri. Oh, the sweet like sugar. Beautiful, and 2 beautiful kiddos later. Happy 10th, you guys. Congratulations. And here's to 10, 20, 30, 40 more.
This year, I got a new phone. We went out for dinner. And, one of the major things that happened this year was that wifey was sick. So Bass was sick on my birthday, the actual day. So some of the things that she wanted to do, she didn't get to do. But what I did instead, I said, hey, let's stay home and just spend a day of reflection. And I just spent the whole day reflecting, chilling, watching TV, just having a day that, the older you get, you realize that some things aren't as important as you thought they were when you were younger. So I didn't need to go anywhere to enjoy the day, just being home, enjoying the simple things, enjoying family was amazing. As the time continued, I went to Totally Male for very first time getting a 4-hand massage. Listen, I mean, really and truly, it was sort of, it was interesting because I've never had this type of experience, and I wanted to stay awake because sometimes you get in a massage, you fall asleep. I wanted to stay awake to see what the difference was, to see if it really is something that I do in the future, etc. And I think the good, let me give you the good first. So the good is that for me, I think it finishes the massage quicker because you're getting double the work done in the same amount of time. So I had somewhere else to be in Mandeville, and I was able to leave from Kingston in Mandeville in great time to make it back for the next function. I also think, I just think it was interesting. I don't even know how to explain it. I just think it was interesting. I think it was different. It's something I would do again. Not necessarily every time I get a massage, but maybe once a year. Getting the normal Swedish massage and then getting the 4-hand massage. So that's something to think about. I think the negative, there was one negative, not really a negative, but when one person is giving an amount of pressure or doing it a particular way. So I could tell which side I was getting more relief from. So one person was giving more pressure, one person seemed to be more experienced than the other person. The other person felt like they were waiting on, they were watching, they were catching up. So I mean, but all in all, listen, I got a manicure, I got a pedicure, I got some quality time spent with some good people at a good place. I was laughing and they surprised me by singing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Woo! Wait, no more. You made the wish. You made the wish. Oh, all right. May all your wishes come true.
Thank you.
I wish you all the very best.
And it was just a good day. I feel relaxed, refreshed, renewed, and ready to take the week ahead on, and ready to take the year on. Of course, I'm gonna try and do one more in the middle of the year and one more at the end of the year because I think it's important for each quarter to get one. But yeah, I appreciate my wife allowing me to be able to go and get in that space where, you know, two more ladies were in a room with me, and you know, watch this when I told her how it went. So my wife gave me a pass and I had two other women all over me. Oi, Cufflinks fam. What's up?
You try to hurry up and talk so that them can understand
it's
what
my
you're saying.
birthday weekend. And it's been a birthday weekend, an anniversary weekend. And I am coming from the spa. I'm coming from Totally Male, and I got a 4-hand massage. First time ever.
4 hands.
4 hands on me at the
I never know
same
that was
time.
a way have I wouldn't send you.
I was surrounded by 2 women, and
Sure,
I
there
went
were 2
under a
women?
sheet that too. I at one point then put something over my eye, you know.
That is
Yes.
right. You only feel 4 hands, you don't know what
Wow.
it was.
Alright, I'll forget this part of the vlog. You're right. You know that's very serious right there. But anyway, Totally Male only has females and stuff. Yeah. So strongly believe.
Strongly.
But the birthday celebrations continue, and I'm just grateful to be alive. Grateful to be. See, she don't yawn. It's not she. Right before I pressed record, she was yawning, and I was like, sure, I missed it. But see,
Never
it always
fails.
comes back.
I don't know what it's about driving, and I'm just always yawning when I'm driving.
Coming like Bella.
But as she starts driving,
Drive,
starts
go sleep.
sleeping. Happy New Year, everyone.
Happy New Year again. I think we did something for our anniversary, right? So the
Yeah.
last time you would have seen us, we were just celebrating our anniversary. And that video, we wouldn't have gotten the anniversary gifts yet. And we wouldn't have had the anniversary date yet. And all of that jazz. Thank you so much for the love that we've been getting as it relates to the pictures that we've posted. My wife looked like a queen that she is. Yeah. Goody come out in a Renaissance store
Not
outfit.
true. Big up
Full silver.
FHL.
Yeah. Our decade worth of love. And we had that was on Smile Jamaica too. We got some big ups. And also for my birthday. But anyway,
You got the money and the petty?
got the money and the petty.
Okay.
Why my
Nice
nails
and
naturally
clean.
shy and I can't touch
Yeah.
you now.
You did that touch me before with the dirty one then. I don't know,
I mean
making
dirty.
it I
I
don't
mean
know, you're
dirty.
making it look like you
And
say
my
you can't touch me now.
my toes really nice. You can.
When I met Brian, but don't hungry. When I met
Nah,
Brian,
but-
his toes and his feet were so soft.
So you're trying to say tough now?
Well, with the whole heap of football and whatever, mash up
It
his
has
foot
changed. It has changed. It's
Tough
not
now.
tough. No. It's not tough.
Tough.
But yeah.
fingernails and that. But let's go.
And the lady was asking if she must put on the thing. I said, no, man, give me the natural.
Yeah,
go
they're
for."
natural shine. Yeah, they're naturally shine.
She
Oh, you
did,
mean
she
the
did,
polish?
Yeah, the polish thing when she rub it so till it shine. She did really well. And she's going to be 50 on her next birthday this year. She don't look nothing like it.
Wow.
And then she said to me, so she asked if it's my birthday, and I said yes. So she said, oh, old. She said, fairly young, and I said, I'm a lecturer. She said, yeah, boy, back in my days, and even probably when you were growing up, lecturers were old men and
people,
old
yeah.
women. And I said, yeah, you know, sometimes it works in my advantage. When I sit in the class and pretend to be a student, everybody know me now, but I was in early. So I said, how old do you think I am? Guess what she said?
40. I don't know. 21?
She said you look like about late 20s.
Wow.
28, 29. Tell her that she made my day. She made my day. Yep. So I am now 29 years old again.
And if you had a clean shave,
I told her that
you would have
if
looked
I
like
clean
20.
shave. So I tell her I try to keep something so that I look a little older. But that's good though. You're taking good care of me. So I'm 29 and you're 25.
No. If you're 29, I'm 20.
No, I'm not gonna go that far. No, yeah, we're gonna pick up the girls. I'm gonna go on a shoot and then take it from there. But I'm just really happy to be alive.
Me too.
Some people
Yeah,
don't
we're
understand.
coming out of the traffic.
But I meet me go. So where else am I go?
No, but just as it. The pickup
School
traffic.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm happy you're alive too. Very happy. This is my 13th birthday with you.
We're teenagers. Since we met.
I remember on one of your birthdays, it was a Sunday, and I came to your church. It was before we got married, and I came to your church, and you had gifts for me. Remember? You buy me 2 bags. No, you buy me 1 bag, a brown bag, handbag. And I'm like, why are you buying me something? It's your birthday. And he's like, oh, I just wanted to flip the script.
Yeah, one of the things that you have changed in my life is allowing me to receive on my birthday. For those of you who know me, I used to just go visiting or give back or find some people to give.
And nothing is wrong with that.
Nothing is wrong with it, but I was just not receiving anything. Like I used to lock off my phone and don't take any calls or messages until the following day because I just wanted to. I never really like the hype about birthdays. But the older you get, the more you understand it's not about the hype, but just about being grateful and appreciative. And the kinds of messages that I would have gotten, especially this year, really were heartwarming, and it made me look at life differently. And you know, I'm having an impact in people who I don't even know that I'm having an impact in their lives. So thank you very much for the birthday greetings and all of that. So anyway, later.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.